Who's ready to have a baby?
Ooh, yay, my wife is ready to have a baby. Nice. Alright,
Yeah.
honey, just
Okay.
push, okay? That's my advice. What are you doing? The hell?
Who the hell is that?
Who is that?
Oh wait. You're going for the next patient. You're going for the next patient. Get the next one.
Okay, that was
Sorry
weird.
about that. It's my doctor friend.
Okay, why do you have a chicken
It's
leg?
okay. I'll do it with. 1 second.
Okay.
Honey, this guy's weird. This guy is very weird. What the hell was that?
Okay, is this better?
Yeah, that's better. Okay,
Okay. So, who's having the baby today?
her.
Okay, you ready? What I'm gonna need you to do is I like a Kajip. There
Oh.
it is. The baby.
Yay, the baby! Wait, why is he
a
lava
minute.
monkey and I'm not?
If you're a lava, and wait, if you're not a lava and he's lava, then who's the dad?
Wait a minute, who's the dad? Wait, what?
What the? Is that
Wait, what?
Mailman?
Mailman!
No.
Why would you? No!